guys, it's Ilene here and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you have stopped on by. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul. I've been searching this week at the Dollar Tree and I'm super excited to share some of my great finds. So if you like videos like this one, I hope that you've already subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified of my future uploads to come. So let's get started. So I've been really searching for a lot of new items that have come to some Dollar Trees but not to mine. But the one thing that I did find was finally these white glass frames. I love these frames. I have been hunting them down and they finally came to the Dollar Tree near me. Now I think these are adorable. This one says relax, dream, and my favorite of all is the one that says wine o'clock. Now I thought these frames were adorable. If you don't like the phrase that it says, you could simply use some nail polish remover or acetone and you could completely remove the phrase that's on the frame. I love these frames just as they are, so I'm gonna find something to do with them. But you could always mix it up and take off the phrase or saying that's on there and do your own thing by putting a picture in the middle of it or anything you want, a new saying. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. In the same section, they also finally had, and they had these in 4 different types. These are so cute. They're like little houses. And this one says, live more, worry less. And I thought this was so pretty. It has the LED light in the back. And I just thought this color, this turquoisey color, I love it. It's so refreshing to me. It reminds me of the beach, the sand, the water. It's just a natural color and I love it. But my all-time favorite color of all, if you've been watching, is purple. I had to get this purple one that says good vibes only. Again, so cute. It has the LED in the back. If it dies, you could change the battery that's in the back, and they sell those batteries exactly at the Dollar Tree, and I've used them for other LED tea lights and such, and they last really, really well. They're definitely worth your $1. They last as long as the name brands. So I could not resist picking up these 2 adorable little houses with the LED lights. Also in the home decor area, I was super excited. They got in even more pumpkins. Last week I hauled 2 different pumpkins, which I thought were so cute. But this week they had even a greater selection of pumpkins, and I did take some pictures for you guys at the end. And so I picked up one that was in this gold. It is so beautiful, so pretty. It feels real nice. It is a mirrored gold. They also had it in this mirrored copper orangey color. So beautiful, and you really can see yourself in it. It seems pretty high quality for just $1. I think it was great. And they also had a couple that were in muted colors, and this is in, I would say, a sage green. And I just thought with the gold accent on the stem, I thought it was beautiful. For $1, you don't have to do anything to these pumpkins. They look very, very high quality. And I love fall. I love decorating for all the seasons that keep coming around. So I can't wait to get started with fall, but still I have to enjoy my beach season. And going along with summer, barbecues are all the rage, and I have been looking for this. I have not found it until this week. This is a tongue turner and a spatula all in one. Now I thought this was great for on the barbecue, flipping your burgers, flipping your steak. It has the spatula and the tongue, and this I couldn't pass up. I have actually been dying to find it. It has not been there on that big rack of all their barbecue stuff. So this excited me for the week, I have to say. The other thing that I found, which I've been looking for, and they had these decals in some other little sayings, and I took pictures for you guys at the end. And the one I picked up said, shh, shh, I'm on my coffee break. And I just thought this was so adorable. You could put this on your mug for at work, or at home, wherever you want to put it. It's just really cute. It says it's dishwasher safe. I don't know how many uses it lasts for. If you guys have tried one of these Dollar Tree decals, comment down below. Let me know how many times you can wash your mug in the dishwasher without this falling off. But I thought this was great. It actually on the back says that you can buy these on Facebook.com by the Peel People. So if you like that kind of thing, go to Facebook and check out the Peel People, because they must have, I haven't checked them out, lots of different things you can peel and stick on glass or a mirror or anything. It's your own thing to do when you're being creative and trying to create a decor piece of your own that no one can duplicate. This is how you do it. And you could take this and you could make your own picture below it. You could add to these small little things that you're able to purchase and pick up. You could add your own touch to these DIYs when you're actually doing them. And you know, the Dollar Tree, unfortunately, it hasn't had too many things this week. So I do want to keep searching for the things that I want to find, but I'm not going to just buy things at the Dollar Tree that I have no use for. So that's what I like about the Dollar Tree. You could find so many things for just $1 that really can make your home a little bit more special and about who you are. So I don't know if you've been to the Dollar Tree this week, but because I did go to the Dollar Tree this week, I've got this Friends and Family coupon. Actually, you don't need the coupon. It's more of a flyer, and this is a Friends and Family flyer. It says valid in the United States on Sunday, July 15th, 2018. The Dollar Tree is going to be giving off 10% off of any $10 purchase. Now that is a good deal. Now you're getting things for less than $1. So you guys out there, if you haven't gone to the Dollar Tree, maybe wait a few days, because on this Sunday you can save 10% off your entire $10 or greater purchase. So I wanted you to know that. If you guys like Dollar Tree hauls, like videos like this, please give this video a great big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of all my future uploads to come. Thank you for watching. Bye.